Have you read Enemy Pie by Derek Munson? A young boy doesn't know what to do about Jeremy Ross, his enemy number one. When he asks his father what to do, his father pulls out his secret recipe for enemy pie. What will happen? Will the enemy pie take care of his enemy forever? You'll just have to make your own and find out. To make enemy pie, you'll need a couple cans of cherries. I used tart and sweet cherries. You'll need some white sugar, some dark brown sugar, some cornstarch, the juice and zest from one lemon. I used pre-made pie crusts. It makes it go really fast, although you could, of course, make your own. And then a little optional vanilla or almond extract. So open the cans and drain them into a saucepan. And then you're going to set the cherries aside and simmer the juice until it goes down to about 1/4 of a cup. You can see now it's gotten more concentrated a couple minutes later. Now you're going to add your 1/4 cup of white sugar, your 1/4 cup of brown sugar, your 1/4 cup of cornstarch, as well as your lemon juice and zest. Now add the cherries back in and stir that well to mix, and you're going to let that simmer for just 2 to 3 minutes until the mixture starts to thicken. You can see it's starting to coat the spoon now, and you can see that it's definitely thickened, so we're going to set that aside to chill. And while it's chilling, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Put one of the pie crusts into the bottom of a pie pan and add your chilled cherry filling. Then you just unroll or roll out your top crust in the design you want and place it on top. You can see how easy it is to roll out this pre-made crust. And then you want to crimp the edges. You need to make some little holes to let the steam out. You can make these as decorative or as plain as you'd like. Brush with an egg white glaze and sprinkle with sugar to make a nice crust. And then cook in the oven for about 45 to 55 minutes. And there you have it, golden brown and ready to serve to your best enemy. Enjoy!